Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see if the egg brown. So pretend the egg is your teeth. Wait, where's that? I'm checking. Hold on. Aha! Wait, what? Oh. Oh yeah, I found it. Alright. Found the egg. Pretend this is your teeth, and joining us is our friend. Wait, where did the lizard go? Okay, I will find him. Goodbye, I will go find the lizard. Found him. Alright, so it says right here. So, in 7 weeks, we will see if this egg will turn brown, and we will see if we can brush it off. Now, get ready for the ultimate. Now, Mr. Lizzie goes right there. It'll be right there to see it. And make sure it doesn't crack. Oh, God. Now just wait for 7 weeks. Oh, my God. I don't want to fill it up. Oh, gosh. Then we put Mr. Lizzie in. See, does he float? Oh God, he sinks. He sinks. Let's see. He sinks. He took a Coke shower. All right, now we just wait for 7 weeks. All right, let's see. Has been 1 minute, and we're still wait, does the lizard sink? See if we could check on it. He sank. Where's he? Oh, lizard. Oh, he's okay. Oh, I'm okay. Okay, put him like right there. Now let's see the final, whoops. Now let's see the final touches. Oh, nope, still, we gotta wait 7 weeks. All right, let's put the arc. All right, see you in 7 weeks. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, Coke. Oh, my bottle getting wet. Oh, it's Coke mix. Coke mix? Coke mix! I can't touch it. I will die. Num num. Dun 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 dun. Num num. Gulp 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 gulp. Do 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 do. I got my bottom wet. Do 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 do. Coming to see on the the code. Ah! Run! I heard some talking here. I think someone. What is that? That looks different. Alright, I'll go find who tried to drink it. Alright, let's go find. Wow. Ah, Coke. I can't trust Coke. Lick, 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 lick. I hear him. Do 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 do. Wow. Do do do. Huh? This looks familiar. I wonder who drank the Coke. All the time. I think it's my stuffy beaver. Did he came alive? Let's go. Do 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 and find him. Let's go. Alright. I got him. I wonder, is this a camera? Oh yeah! I'm gonna turn it up. Ding! Another one? Oh my god! Let's turn it off again. Let's go looking for more cameras. One's right here. Oh my gosh, it's on! Alright, let's go turn it up. Oh yeah, I bet there's more over there. But let's turn off this one. Alright, we found it. I think someone's watching me. I think it's that kid that's trying to do a science experiment. Alright, let's go turn it off. Alright, so we found another one. Okay. Alright, let's go turn it off. Supposed to be a secret one. Oh, it's in here. Out there? In here. Alright, so let's go turn this one off. Woohoo! There's another one right next to it. Oh my gosh! Oh gosh! Man, it's on! Ooh, I can't wait to drink the soda and turn off all of the cams. Woohoo! Yeet! Oh, there's one right here. Alright, so let's see. Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh, it's on. Let's go turn it off and let's go drink the Coke. Alright, let's go. Oh no, I think I'm late. No! Ah! I gotta knock this one down. Wow! Alright, let's go! And this one? Alright. Nice! Woohoo! Alright, let's go. Oh no, it looks like he's getting closer. Let's knock this one down. Wow! Alright, I don't know. Maybe that's a bad way. Alright, woo! Alright, let's move it. Alright, we did it. Let's turn this one off now. Well, we already turned it off. Alright, so let's go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. He's getting closer. We better hurry. Let's knock this one down. Alright, so that's good. Alright, let's go with it. Woohoo! Alright, so I have an idea. Let's fast forward. 4 times speed, 100 times speed. Alright, so I just took a security cam. That's why you know. Yeah. Oh no. Do 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 do. He's right there. Go 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 go. We should probably be safe here. Alright. Shh. Oh no! What happened to all my cams? What happened? All of them are broken. Let's go check over there. This might take a while, but let's go. Oh my gosh. No way. Looks like that little fussy beaver must have did that. Alright, let's go look for him. Taking you guys with me. So I just flipped it open and I'm gonna turn it on. So I just turn it on. All of them are off and that fussy beaver knocked them down. Alright, let's go look for him. Oh, fussy beaver, where are you? I can make him laugh. Ooh, la, 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 I think I hear him. I hear him. He's that way. Where are you? What have you done? He has my cams? Oh no, we gotta hurry! He found me! He found me! Ah! Wow! Let's go! He's right behind me! Fussy beaver! Fussy beaver! Get stop! Alright. This might take a while. Okay, stop right now, okay? This might take a while, okay? Yeah. You must be here somewhere. Hey, stop it! Hey, I went ahead of you. Get out of here! Alright, I surrender! Alright, then leave! Alright! Okay, maybe after 7 weeks or tomorrow, we will create part 2. So, adios. Like yos.